need that new tire setup. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's time. It's time. I know you guys have been wanting the POV drive, and finally I'm able to do that. I just picked up a new GoPro. It's a Hero 7. You know, hopefully the quality is A1, because, you know, I want to give you guys that A1 content. Before I even drive it, I want you guys to, you know, go ahead and smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. This video is for sure going to be a banger. That's all I got to say. I actually ended up lifting up my car. I don't know if you guys could tell, I do have a wheel gap. I'm actually going to get rid of these tires because they're terrible, honestly. They're not a good brand tire. So yeah, I'm getting rid of those, and I'm also going to be, you know, getting bigger tires in the rear, just because, you know, I spin a lot. Obviously now, like, it's insane. I'm going to be throwing these wheels in the front because the tire tread on there is still pretty decent. So I'm gonna throw the rear wheels in the front, and then I'm just gonna swap new tires onto the, you know, onto these wheels. I'm probably gonna run maybe like a 275 or 265, I'm not sure. Plan on getting that, you know, very soon, because it's Spin City. And I cannot give you guys a cold start, unfortunately. I know. I just drove the car probably like 30 minutes ago, so I'm sorry. I know. All right, so I just switched over to the GoPro. Hopefully, you know, everything's good. I haven't used it, so this is my first time, but we're gonna see. Yeah, let's go. Hold on. Yep. Don't be like me and spill your oil. Always check your carbon hoods too. Alright. I'm actually gonna get some gas real quick before I even, you know, go crazy for you guys. Just decided to stop working when I was doing when I started doing the POV. Ever since I got the tune, it was working, but now it's just not. I don't know why. It's really annoying. I'm not even gonna lie. People are probably looking at me crazy because I'm wearing this camera on my head. Oh well, doing it for you guys. Simple. Man, why is it not working, bro? So y'all gonna think I'm going slow, like, man. Jesus Christ, bro. I thought I lifted my car up enough. I'm pretty sure once I get new tires, then I'll be good. unplugged my blow-off valve, so I'm not actually running it right now. It still sounds pretty crazy though. I think it sounds better without the blow-off valve. I could try to do a 20 roll, but you know, 9 times out of 10 I'm just gonna end up spinning. So I mean, I'll try it real quick for you guys right here, but really need that new tire set up. It feels like it catches, but like I just spin. Definitely need to put my Brembos on too. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get gas real quick because I don't want to like full throttle it. I was told that I shouldn't do pulls, you know, back to back because I need an oil cooler. I am working on getting that though. I plan on getting it pretty soon, just because it just makes it, you know, more safe. Definitely need the Brembos, bro. Let me put those on already. Man, they're over here doing wheelies on the bikes. Going crazy. Y'all seen that? On 3%, so I'm gonna do my best to, you know, record everything, but I don't know at this point. My speedometer is working. Wow, my speedometer is working. Hopefully it doesn't stop working. I'll try another 20 roll for you guys, or not 20, like a 30. Ready? It just stopped working. I'm dead, bro. That's sick. It literally just gave up once it hit like 70. Wow. GoPro just died somehow. It was at like 30%, and I've only been driving for like 15 minutes so far. I might end up taking this shit back because it was at 30%, and then all of a sudden it dropped down to like 3, and then it died just for no reason. So yeah, I'll try to get you guys as much footage as I can before it dies, but we'll see what happens. This was working so I could, you know, show you guys, but it is what it is. I want to try to get it fixed, you know, as soon as possible. It's really hard to, you know, diagnose what it really is, what the issue really is. So can't really do much about it right now. A Hellcat. Sheesh. Should I go get him? Brake boost. I'm new to it. I'll get it down. It wasn't too bad though, it didn't seem like. Gauges, I know you guys see my all right guys, so I'm back at my house now. The GoPro did keep dying for some reason. Like, it was at 30%, and within like 5 minutes of me driving, it dropped down to like 5%, and just, you know, kept going down and down from there. I literally had it on, I didn't even have it on for that long, honestly. Kind of disappointed. I'm sure the quality looks great, but, you know, the battery life, and it just keeps dying. It's not even doing anything. Like, the screen is just on, but 4% already. Like, it was just at like 6. I charged it. It's just dying for no reason. I don't know if that's just, you know, like the GoPro batteries are just weak. I don't know. I have to see what's up. But so far, I'm kind of disappointed with it. What I was saying was about my pillar, or, you know, the gauge pod or whatever. My gauges actually aren't reading correctly, so I'm, you know, gonna have to get that checked out. Obviously I pulled it down a little bit for the wiring to, you know, see what's going on, but the wiring is gonna have to be checked. The only one that is sort of accurate, or actually these two are kind of accurate, but the boost gauge, see, like if I gas it, see how it says negative 29.9. When I hit boost, you know, at 6 pounds, it goes down to, you know, negative 23, and, you know, that's 6. But it shouldn't be like that. It should be positive numbers. So I gotta get that checked. The oil pressure, somewhat accurate, not, you know, completely accurate. And this one, the AFR, is, you know, completely off. Like, it just stays in one spot, but, like, you know, like when you're driving, it's supposed to be like bouncing around, apparently. So, you know, I'm gonna get those checked out pretty soon. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys, you know, enjoyed the video, and hopefully, you know, I got some pretty good footage, because, you know, it just kept dying. It died probably like 2 or 3 times, and, you know, that sucks. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, sub, comment, all that, and I'll see y'all in the next one.